Alright, take two. This little quick project I decided to endeavor into. We got the pond drained. There's about 18 inches of shit down there. So, working our way down. Scooping out more gravel than I'd like, but what you gonna do when you barely know how to run an excavator? Just comes to the territory. What do you need all this gravel in the bottom of a pond for anyway? So there you go. Pete Bruin running tractor. Shout out to Eric Engstrom for being here earlier. Pump's bottoming out. Tadpoles probably downstream. Oh shoot, that's sad. You can see them right there in the grass, just sliming around. What you gonna do? If they're smart, they'll flow down to the pump and hopefully survive that ride.